My name's Bruce Knight. I'm the co-founder and managing director of Legume Technology.
Hi, I'm Jackie Knight. I'm a co-founder of Legume Technology.
The company was founded in 2000 on the basis of using naturally occurring nitrogen-fixing partner bacteria to boost the supply of nitrogen.
We're a comparatively small family-based business, and after 20 years, we now sell into over 30 countries.
We optimise every step of the production process, which gives us the best possible product.
My name's John Godliman. I'm the plant manager at Legume Technology. From a manufacturing point of view, the core products that we manufacture are the Rhizobium inoculants. These consist basically of two types. There's a solid-based inoculant and a liquid-based inoculant. For both the solid and the liquid products, the critical thing is sterility. We want to end up with a product at the end of the day which only has the bacteria that we've introduced to the product. So we're very keen to eliminate any contaminants, and we have rigorous QC techniques to ensure that we achieve that goal. When the packs have been inoculated with the nutrients and the bacteria, they then need to go into a warm room where they incubate for 2 weeks. This allows the bacteria to grow inside the bag. At the end of this process, we quality control again to make sure we just have the Rhizobium bacteria inside the package, and then the material is ready to go out to customers.
Over recent years, there's been a trend in modern agriculture to look for bacterial partners which work in other ways. MycoFix is a beneficial mycorrhizae product. So the benefit of this product is a faster establishment and better early rooting, and then also this longer term fertiliser action from the mycorrhizae to give extra phosphate, trace elements and water to help through drought stress. We like to visit commercial seed treatment plants to support the process with a training day to make sure that it's applied properly and that we're achieving the correct number of viable bacteria per seed to give them the optimum performance. We visit the customers in the summer if we possibly can to demonstrate how the products worked, and we can look at canopy cover and the nodulation profiles that we get. And you can just begin to see the difference in the canopy colour with a lighter green shade where the crop has received no inoculation and no nitrogen fertiliser. This is one of the aspects of the nitrogen fixation process where we can completely replace the need for a chemical nitrogen fertiliser by using the biological nitrogen fixation of the nodules from the root system. This year we put a trial in place where we're using a mixed culture of bacillus. We have 3 different species of bacillus in the product, and it's designed to help to keep the roots healthy and also to help with nutritional supply because there's a bigger root mass.
It's manufacturing, it's agriculture. We're all about earning a living and proud to be helping farmers to do that too. And it's about feeling good about what we do and what we make and contributing to a better future for everybody.
For more information, please do get in touch.